it off, and she felt it was the right, outfit for me tonight.
This is pretty old, yeah, from my closet, but coincidentally, they're both from Kiki Kamano.
Oh.
T-shirt from Kiki Kamano, skirt from Kiki Kamano, and then the espadrilles I talked about.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yay! Very comfortable. I'm so excited I had a chance to wear it.
Her name is JKC, and she is amazing. This was the first time that I was meeting her, and I picked this from her, but I'm going to be working with her a lot. I really love it.
Okay, and Layla, you? Who hooked up this ensemble?
So sister.
Funny enough, you just interviewed Layla, and apparently she just came to me and said that she wants to go into styling, and I need to be her first lab rat. And I'm like, okay, fine. So yes, Layla did this.
Now me style myself.
Yes.
I just enter my wardrobe. I just see clothes. I just pick and I just wear.
Okay, so what are your
Okay,
expectations?
basically I'm wearing David Wedge.
Okay, is that a
Yes.
Nigerian?
He's a Nigerian designer, David Wedge.
Zini Couture.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's actually a YBNL stylist, kind of. Yeah.
And I love the bucket hat as well.
Thank you very much.
We're here at the Echo